Hi guys, welcome back to another video with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Monday, May 17, 2021, and what we're going to do today is that we're going to play a game, but practicing our comparatives and superlatives. If you don't remember them, these are the ones that we use to compare between two things are the comparatives, and superlatives are the ones that we used to compare three or more. Like we have some examples there: older, smallest, cutest, bigger, oldest, biggest, smaller, cuter. So let's start. But first, let's play. But first, let's tell you the instructions. Take notes of your answers and in the comments tell me how many you got. If you got if you got them all right, you win the game. So, let's start. Who is angrier, Donald the Duck or Mickey Mouse? You have 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who's funnier, Clarence and his friends or Courage the Cowardly Dog? Who is taller, Toad or Bones? Who is worse, Bowser or Zelda? Who is faster, uh, Lightning McQueen or Sonic? Who is the most powerful, Thor, Spider-Man or Mantis? Who is the strongest, Captain America, Falcon Captain America or Iron Man? Who is the smallest, Mario, Luigi or Kirby? What is the worst dessert, donuts, ice cream or a lollipop? And who is the best teacher, Professor Girafales, Professor Charles Xavier or Teacher Lenin Castro? So let's see your answers. So number one, the correct answer is Donald the Duck. Donald the Duck is angrier than Mickey Mouse. The second one is who's funnier? Clarence and his friends are funnier than Courage the Cowardly Dog. Number 3, Bones is taller than Toad. Number 4, Bowser is worse than Zelda. Number 5, Sonic is faster than Lightning McQueen. Number 6, Thor is the most powerful. Number 7, Captain America is the strongest. Number 8 is Kirby is the smallest. Number 9, a lollipop is the worst dessert. And number 10, Teacher Lenin is the best teacher. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the game, and I hope to see you tomorrow in our regular class. So have a very nice day. I'm very happy to see you. Goodbye.